situation in Krakow in a deserted terminal at 12 or 1 at night, which is pretty cool because there's no one around, and the lift accidentally opened on this floor. It's like a zombie apocalypse. There's no one here. Oh my god, everyone's been eaten. So just got to Krakow train station right now, and waiting for to get on here, head out to the airport, and then basically, as you can see, I'm rocking the Josie Show hat, who I'm going to meet in an undisclosed location for now until you see where we go. But it's going to be really awesome, super cool. So looking forward to it. If you've never been to Poland, you should come to Poland. If you've never been to Krakow, you should come to Krakow. And I'm going to be very excited to see where I'm going next beyond Krakow and beyond Poland. So heading out of here for about 6 or 7 months, something like that, and then basically after that coming back to Poland again. But yeah, just waiting for the train right now. So we're gonna head up to here to Kraków, Lotnisko. Wandering through Krakow airport, having a wander around here as we head for the plane. And to be honest, it's quite quiet. Not a lot of people around here at all tonight. There you go. Pretty empty.
Am Frankfurter Flughafen. In wenigen Minuten kommen wir am Terminal 1 an. Um Ihr Gepäck entgegenzunehmen, folgen Sie bitte den Hinweisschildern zur Gepäckausgabe. Wenn Sie einen Lufthansa-Anschlussflug gebucht und Ihre Bordkarte noch nicht erhalten haben, wenden Sie sich bitte an einen Lufthansa und die Star Alliance Partner wünschen Ihnen einen schönen Tag. Dear passengers, welcome to Frankfurt Airport. In just a few minutes, we will arrive at Terminal 1. To receive your luggage, please follow the signs for baggage claim. If you are booked on a Lufthansa connecting flight and still need a boarding pass, please go to the next.
Condor Business Class menu. I'll put it in English. First welcome drink for Condor Business is Prosecco and orange juice. So they were really good. Straight away came around and offered a welcome drink, which is awesome. First thoughts of the Condor Business Class experience so far, just really good. The boarding went really quickly. Got offered a welcome drink on board straight away, and yeah, gonna also vlog the rest of this trip to rank it in SEO for the term which we want to rank it for, right, which is Business Class Condor. And what I will do is keep you posted throughout the flight. Alright, see you soon.
Wechsel der Besatzung stattfinden wird, und zusammen mit meiner Gesamtbesatzung möchte ich Sie recht herzlich hier bei uns an Bord der Condor willkommen heißen, und wir alle hoffen, dass Sie eine gute Anreise hatten und dass Sie sich bis dahin wohlfühlen hier bei uns an Bord.
Sie öffnen den Gurt durch Anheben des Verschlusses. Da unerwartet Turbulenzen auf.
Greetings from Jamaica. Yaman. Rastafari. Good morning from Jamaica. Good morning from Jamaica, friends. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Remember to live life. Remember to pursue what you want to have happen. Remember to never give up. Remember to ground yourself. Always grounding, keeping the shoes off. And photosynthesis, getting that sunshine in always and everywhere. Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica with me, Alexander James from Travel Your Own Path. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Going to be doing vlogs here pretty much for the entire stay of the trip. And yeah, going to be showing you around different places and all of that right now. Just had a nice swim in the water, beautiful sunshine, nice and early. It is 9 in the morning. Also got the Josie show over here making some coffee. Well, actually pouring some coffee.
What is up, everyone?
Say good morning, Jay.
Some good morning, Jay. My second coffee of the day. Oh,
Boom.
it'll go well with a Jay, with Uncle Jay. Jesus.
And here we got some honey that, you know, Jason has from his own bees. So gonna try some of that later.
Where's my glasses at? How was I in Jamaica last time with no glasses? It's so crazy. It's HD in there, man.
Gonna do some live streams later on.
Hell yes, we are. From last time, when I find him again, from my brother, last time I went to Jamaica, you'll see what I mean. You can just hear
Some
it
awesome
from the voice
juice.
slips. It's just. Why am I sitting here like? Oh.
What's this?
Cornmeal porridge.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.